I'm in El Poblado today and I'm on my way to check out this studio apartment that's available for sale that is 37 square meters. Now you probably hear that number and you're thinking of a really tiny closet space. But what if I told you that this property actually lives bigger than the size that it says? All of the information for this property is down below in the description. Let's go check this one out. Okay, so we're on the 8th floor of the apartment and let's take a look inside. And okay, not bad. Actually a lot bigger than I was imagining. When you read 37 square meters, you probably think of a closet, as I said earlier in the intro. And here's the kitchen on the left side, a bit of the living social area, and then you have the bed here, big size bed, by the way. Yeah, not bad for 37 square meters. It could be bigger, but we have it listed for 37 square meters. Let's go look at these spaces individually. So as soon as you walk in, you have your laundry area. It has this foldable door, which is kind of cool. Maybe you can take that out and put a normal door there, but I think it works perfect here. And then in terms of the space here, very big laundry area. I'm very surprised because again, 37 square meters, you think everything would be more compact and more close together, kind of claustrophobic almost, but you have enough room for a washer dryer stack, or you can just have a washer and just kind of hang dry things if you want, or you can do a 2-for-1 washer dryer unit and kind of save your space there. The owner here has a nice little cabinet closet there for cleaning supplies. Yeah, not bad for the laundry area. And then let's hang over here to the right and we'll come into the bathroom. So this is your full bathroom. It's just the one full bathroom. It has the vanity there, obviously the toilet, and then your large mirror right here, which is really nice. And what really surprises me is the space here in the shower. Let me walk in. Look at, they have a bench here. Oh my gosh. So they have a bench here and yeah, not bad. They have the nice shower tower here with all the multiple jets there. Nice little hose. So a port bar there for those of you that need help getting up when you sit down right here. And you know, I mean, this is a lot of space in terms of width. Height-wise, for me, who's 6'4", and a lot of you US Americans, Europeans, and foreigners, this is probably gonna be a problem to shower, but you do have the hose down here, and you also have the multiple jets, but maybe you can clean this out and probably put in something a little bit more modern. But you know, in terms of space, here the bathroom is very big, considering that it is a 37 square meter apartment. Now let's head out to the main areas. We have the kitchen here. First on the left-hand side, you have a nice little, let's call it a bar right here for enjoying your meals. And the kitchen, yeah, it's practical, right? So it's a studio apartment. I think if you're renting this out, your guests probably aren't doing a lot of cooking, but this is just enough space for them probably just to do something in the morning for breakfast or even lunch or dinner, right? Just depending on what they're doing. But you have enough space here for actually a taller refrigerator, which is pretty cool. And you have just the 2 electric burners here on the counter bar here. The way that it's already set up, I think it's very functional. So let's hang over here to the right, and then we have the living area with the balcony. We'll look at the balcony last. And they have a TV set up. I like that. You can enjoy it from the bed that's right behind me. You can kind of see it in my square right there. And then they have the nice little couch set up. I probably would do something like this. Maybe I do like a really comfy armchair and then set up a desk here instead and take out the sofa. That way you can get your work done, or your guests can get their work done. And then let's go over here to the right-hand side and look at the size of this bed here. It's kind of like a queen size bed. I don't think you can fit a king size. King size would just take up too much space, but I think this queen size bed is just perfect. It has AC on the back there. I know a lot of people complain about a lot of the apartments here in Medellin not having air conditioning, so you can't complain here. And then you have great closet space here. Closets, closets, closets. You've got enough space here for your blankets, any clothes that you fold, a safe down there, and then obviously you can hang your clothes right there with the hangers. And what I like here is actually the big window. This is nearly floor to ceiling, so you can get a view here. A lot of natural light coming in. It's lunchtime, it's 12 p.m. on a Monday, and we have some good natural light. It's a little overcast today, but still getting in that beautiful natural light of the city. And then here, I think this is the cool part right here, the balcony. Right, 37 square meters. You probably wouldn't imagine having a balcony space, but I'd furnish this a little bit different. Maybe even put a plant out here. And then you have the view here looking to the south side of Medellin. And today's Monday, today's a holiday. And if you look over this bridge right here, you can see people walking on it. Ciclovia. On Mondays, they add another Ciclovia day. So if you're one that enjoys Ciclovia, you literally come out the building down here, you just cross the street and you walk up this tiny little hill, and then you're right there at the bridge. And yes, there's construction going on. I know they're gonna put a building there. I'm not sure how tall it is. It probably won't block any of your view here. Definitely not gonna block any of the view down here, looking to the south side and the mountains over there of the beautiful city of Medellin. Okay, so that's the look of the apartment. Again, I think this is great for those that come down to visit, maybe on a weekend every month or every 2 months. They come down for a weekend or just a week. Maybe you want to rent this out, right? It's a studio apartment close to the Milla de Oro. A lot of medical tourism happens around in that area, so maybe you can rent it out to anyone that comes down for medical tourism. So there are amenities in the building, so let's go check those out. Okay, so on the 6th floor, walk into the amenities. First, you have a full restaurant down here on the 6th floor. They offer breakfast, American style buffet breakfast, and then they have lunch as well. I'm sure this is where like all the drinks, maybe some breads and sweets are. Back here, you have the social room, social area, which you can rent out if you have any events. Over there, you have extra dining space. And if you do buy this property, if you do own it, you do have to pay those prices that I mentioned. But you know, very cool to have a restaurant here. They have the World Cup game going on in the back over there, which is kind of cool. We'll take a look at the social area here. Very cool. So you can rent this out if you want for any kind of events that you need. You got some workspace here you can enjoy. And then now let's go check over to the gymnasium side over here and see what's going on. You have a few treadmills there for cardio, and then you have your dumbbells there, you know, kind of like a hotel style gymnasium, to be honest. And then they have over here, they have 2 jacuzzis, but I was being told from the owner that this is possibly going to be taken out. The administration is discussing whether to keep it or not. So that is something, you know, if you buy in here, you got to keep that in mind. Maybe you can either persuade them to keep it or remove it and put something else there. And then on the other side over here, you have the Turco, Turkish bath right here. Nice space. I never really liked doing any of this Turkish bath stuff, but you have it. And then you have the sauna here. Another thing I never really enjoyed is the sauna, but you know, good space for those of you that enjoy the sauna. Well, there you go. You have a sauna and a Turkish bath here in the 6th floor. And let's walk across the gym here to this outside area so you can get a really good idea of where we are. You have the Santafé Mall literally right there. So like I mentioned, you're across the street. Look at all the people doing ciclovia. And Colombians love their ciclovia. I guess paisas. But yeah, just enjoy that you're very close to Milla de Oro, Avenida Poblado. So you have Santafé Mall. If I'm not mistaken, you have Jumbo here. And then you have the Oviedo shopping mall right there as well. So you have 2 shopping malls very close by, a lot of restaurants very close by as well. So that's it for this apartment. And at the beginning of this video, I said that you would probably think 37 square meters is a closet. And after walking through the apartment, it's actually bigger than what you would think on paper. Remember, all of the information for this property is listed down below in the description. And when you're ready to purchase a property in the next 30 days and your budget is $150,000 or above, and you want to work with our proven system here at Medellin Living Real Estate, then fill out our buyer's form. There's a link to that form in the description as well. Click on the link, it'll take you to the form. Quickly fill it out and someone on the team will reach out to you as soon as possible, and we'll catch you guys here in Medellin.